You found your dream home. Move-in ready. Beautifully updated and well cared for 4-bedroom home with fenced-in yard snuggled in the highly desired Palm Cove community, offering a resort-style community pool and splash pad with 3 playgrounds, open park areas and a dog park. You really can have it all with no CDD and very low HOA. A truly remarkable home with a level of finish that is usually only found in million-dollar properties. Upon entering through the double doors, you step into the grand foyer with 18-foot ceilings opening up to the entire 2-story home. Top-of-the-line wood floors, installed 2015, gently guide you through the home as you go from the living room into the formal dining room. Notice the custom wood beams, upgraded chandelier, luxury-style 6-inch baseboards and crown molding throughout the first floor. The family room has a feature wall you don't want to miss, plus the extra-large 3-pane sliding glass window wall that leads you out to the large covered lanai. Follow through the rest of the home leading back into the kitchen. This kitchen has all the features you have dreamed of. A kitchenette with the cutest custom bench window seat wrapping around the bay window and your dining room table. Plus it holds additional storage, not to mention the huge closet panty. Don't miss the kitchen island with electric outlets, 42-inch wood kitchen upper cabinets, granite stone throughout kitchen counters, newer stainless steel Samsung appliances, 2015, premium kitchen faucet hardware with deep sink. Downstairs also hosts the half bath and the laundry room as well as 2 additional storage closets. Follow the stairs upstairs to find the 3 bedrooms, 2nd bathroom and the master ensuite. The master bedroom steps down into your own private quarters and it extends the whole length of the home. You are treated to 2 walk-in closets, a full master bathroom with double sinks, spa tub, and separate walk-in shower. You'll be able to relax well here.